Hey everyone, this is Bubblicious, and today I want to show you how you can build a scale to actually measure the mass value of creations with some modpack parts. Right here I'm playing with the Rusty Fusion Modpack found on the Discord of the FanMod, so make sure to check that out. Let's get started. Place some temporary blocks, and then we need 16 number blocks for the number display. And to actually display something, we have several ways, but I prefer this one. I use an accelerometer, set it to display mode, and then I can give this accelerometer inputs, which it will output to those number blocks once this is hooked up. So to actually hook it up, I'm going to use the new multi-connection tool from the FanMod. Very awesome tool, and it simply is very simple. This is the left side of what I want to connect, and those are on the right side. So I click the right mouse button on them, and with a left click I simply hook them up into the gauge, and they're all connected. This tool is so good, so great, I love it. Now next thing, we need to paint it. So the upper row is going to be the left side of the dot or the point, and this is going to be after the point. So 8 digits to each side should be enough to actually show the mass of everything. Next thing we need is an accelerometer in mass mode, and to actually see the mass of this whole creation we simply have to hook that into our display. And we see this creation currently has a mass of 240. Okay, next thing we need is a math block, a memory panel, and a tick button. And last thing I want to put on here is one block to actually weld the thing, and then we can get rid of those other blocks. So this is the final build in terms of weight, of mass. So this thing has a mass of 83.9. This is the value that I want to store in the memory panel. So I simply take the accelerometer in mass mode, hook it into the memory panel, and hook a tick button in there, and press it once. So now this mass value is being stored in that memory panel. But what I actually want to display, of course, is the mass of this thing minus its own mass. So we need to set this mass block to subtraction mode. This requires a white and a black input, and the accelerometer in mass mode is going to be the white input, and the memory panel will be the black input. So let's paint them. And I also used to paint my save button to a green, so I can easily remember. Last thing to do is hook the white input and the black input into the math block, and hook the math block into the display. So this is the whole build. Should be working already. I can start placing blocks on there wherever, and we see what mass value they have. For example, an accelerometer has a mass value of 2.9, and a bearing doesn't have mass at all. And the switch also has a mass of 2.9. Okay, so if you guys want to download this, I'm going to export it right away with this command, export, and then a name, scale. And the nice thing is, whenever I need it, I can simply import it with this command. There's my new scale. Let me delete this one, and now we can finally start weighing things. So, do you think this is the correct order in terms of mass? Let's find out. So, a craftbot has a mass of 10,500 something. Pretty heavy thing. Then a refinery only has a mass value of 9600. So it's slightly more light than the craftbot. So in the competition of the mass of those two thingies, which one do you think is gonna win? I'd say this one. 1291. And the resource container has a mass value of, oh, here's the winner, 3375. Yeah, that's what you can do with this creation. And in my next video I'm gonna show you another purpose for it that I had to actually build this thing, which is capable of lifting everything you attach to it without even knowing how heavy this thing is, like so. Whoopsie, what happened? Oh, it's placed to the ground. Yeah, of course. This cannot work. Let's do it like that, so it's nicely lined up. Weld it on top of here and press the button, and it's lifting. So this is the next build I'm gonna show you, which is what I needed my scale for. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscribe, share, and visit the FanMod Discord to get the Rusty Fusion mod pack for yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you later, take care, and bye.